we are at the Yuba River State Park, and this park is mainly famous for this bridge right behind me. This bridge back in the 1850s to early 1900s would come and would take gold and silver from the Nevada and California fields and would take that down to San Francisco. And this place has a lot of history, a lot of which I honestly do not know, and I'm learning as I am here. But this place is definitely gorgeous, and if you happen to be around the Grass Valley area or just like hiking and trails and stuff in general, then I highly recommend giving this place behind me a visit. A lot of hiking paths, a lot of historic mines along the river that you can hike or visit with your car down the road, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Wow. I think this bridge has no structural support beams right in the center of the bridge. It's only supported at the front and the end of the bridge. There's a nice little trail alongside of the river, the Lake Englebright Trail. Probably pronouncing that wrong, but there's a sign saying watch out for rattlesnakes and mountain lions. So you want to make sure you watch out for that. And also watch out for the ground below you. There's a lot of rocks and unstable terrain like what I'm about to walk on here. Now, I've never actually walked down a trail where you have to go through these little canyon walls. Really need to watch your step and look down a good chunk of the time when you're walking through places like this, because you can easily trip. And just back there was a lot of branches sticking out where your feet would be at. And if you're not careful, you'd walk into it and fall over. One time I was hiking the Hunter Creek back in 2020 when I was just starting to get into hiking, and it was almost the same thing, where if you're not paying attention, you can easily fall and eat it, and I ate it really hard, and since then I'm always looking down a whole lot more when I am hiking. And now there's two branching paths. Which way do I go? So apparently this lake is called Englebright. I was pronouncing it wrong earlier, and from one of the locals was telling us is that there was a dam 8 miles down the river, and usually the water levels are a lot higher, and then when it rains really bad, there could even be water in this area that we're standing and sitting on right now. And it's a pretty beautiful lake. Would definitely highly recommend coming down here to visit and everything. Probably bring a hat, it's bright if it's not cloudy and stuff. And I think I'm going to call it here. So thank you guys for joining me on this wonderful hiking journey. We're going to hike our happy butts back. But while you're at it, don't forget to jump on that subscribe button, hit the like, and share with your family and friends. I'd super appreciate it. And as always, I appreciate you guys. Have a good one. Take care.